In this problem, we're comparing chlorine gas to magnesium chloride, so we need to come up with a balanced chemical equation. From the context, we can see that the equation is that magnesium chloride is decomposed to form magnesium and chlorine gas. So we start with this measured number. We have 41.1 kilograms of magnesium chloride. We want to compare it to chlorine gas, so we have to get to moles. I'll first convert to grams, and then use our formula weight. All right, now we can use our balanced chemical equation. It's a 1-to-1 mole ratio. So we know how many moles of chlorine gas we have. We want to get to a volume of chlorine gas. So we want to remind ourselves 1 mole chlorine, 1 mole of any gas at STP is 22.414 liters. We put units of moles of chlorine in the denominator. And we can check our units before we chunk this out. Kilograms cancel, grams, moles of magnesium chloride, moles of chlorine gas. We have liters as the unit of our final answer. We do the math, and we get 9675.616 liters. We can only justify 3 sig figs. We have to use scientific notation, and our final answer is so.